Hey there, first grade. How's everybody doing today? And welcome back to another remote learning math lesson with Mr. Enzi. And today I am joined by Lego Hedwig. Lego Hedwig is Harry Potter's snowy owl. And if you notice that Hedwig has wings that go up and down to help him fly. Hedwig is made out of all Lego pieces. Now, today we're going to take a look at some animals. Some have wings, and some of them do not have wings. And when we find out how many have wings and how many do not have wings, we are going to create a tally chart. So let's get started as I shrink myself into the corner. Today, we are going to be doing Grade 1, Lesson 1.7, Organizing Data in a Tally Chart. Now, data means information. It's something that we collect, like it's information that we collect. Now, a tally chart is a place to put tally marks used to count objects. So we've been using tally marks. Today we're going to use those tally marks and put them in a chart for our information. Today we are going to find some information about animals that have wings or no wings. So let's take a look at the eagle that I have here in this picture. Does this eagle have wings or does the eagle have no wings? Well, this eagle has wings. The wings go up and down, up and down. And most of the time, it will help animals to fly. So today, what we are going to be doing is we're going to be looking at some animals. And we're going to have to decide whether the animal has wings or no wings. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the animal right inside my tally charts. Now notice that my tally chart has a title. The title is kind of like the title of a book. It appears on the front cover. Well, the title of a tally chart appears at the top. My title is Wings or No Wings because that's the information I'm collecting. I wouldn't call it, how many broccoli I had for dinner because this has nothing to do with broccoli. And then in my tally chart, I have my two types. The animal is either going to have wings or the animal is going to have no wings. So let's see how many we have of each. The first thing I like to do is I like to move the card into the area on my tally chart. So my very first animal is a camel. Does a camel have wings or no wings? Where should I put the camel? Wings, no wings. Well, the camel has no wings. So I'm going to put the camel there in that row that says no wings. Let's see our next animal. Oh, we have a bat. What do you think about the bat? Does a bat have wings or no wings? Well, the bat has wings. So I'm going to put it where the wings should go. Our next card is this one here, a horse. Does my horse have wings or no wings? Well, this time, my horse has no wings. So I'm going to put my horse where the no wings are. My next card is an elephant. Does an elephant have wings or no wings? Well, the elephant has no wings. So I'm going to put that card in the no wings category. And now I have it looks like an ape, a monkey. Where would the monkey go? Wings or no wings? What do you think? The monkey goes in no wings. So far, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 that do not have wings. And one animal does have wings. Let's go to our next one. So now we have a bee. Does a bee have wings or no wings? Well, a bee has wings. So I'm going to place the bee in the wings category. Our next animal is a kangaroo. Does a kangaroo have wings or no wings? Well, I'm going to put the kangaroo in no wings. Kangaroo doesn't fly. Oh, now this one always tricks some first graders. The penguin. Does the penguin have wings or no wings? Well, a penguin does not fly, but it does have wings. So the penguin is going to go where the wings cards and animals are located. Up next, we have a dog. Does the dog have wings or no wings? Well, the dog has no wings. How about the fly? Does the fly have wings or no wings? Well, the fly has wings. And they flap really, really fast to allow the fly to fly. Now we have a turtle. How about the turtle? Does the turtle have wings? Well, the turtle does not have wings. So the turtle is going to go in the no wings category. How about the little robin? Does the robin have wings? The robin does have wings, and the wings help the robin fly. And now we have a butterfly. Does the butterfly have wings? The butterfly has wings too, so we're going to add that into our wings category. How about the mosquito? Does the mosquito have wings? Well, I see the wings on the mosquito, so I'm going to move the mosquito into our wings category. Now, we have an ostrich. Does an ostrich have wings? Well, an ostrich is a type of a bird, so the ostrich also has wings. Now, let's look at all of our remaining cards. An ant, a deer, an iguana, a human, and a bear. Do any of these cards show something that has wings? These cards all have no wings. So I am going to put them in the no wings category. So now we have sorted all of our cards. So we can go ahead and use tally marks to show how many there are. So let's count our wings. See if you can count how many animals we have that have wings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I am going to draw 8 tally marks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 goes across, 6, 7, 8. 8 animals have wings. Now we're going to count those that don't have wings. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 animals do not have wings. So we are going to go ahead and draw 12 tally marks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 goes across, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 goes across, 11, 12. 12 tally marks. Now, I like to also write the number so that I don't have to keep counting. So for my wings, I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And for my no wings, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So today, we made a tally chart. We took a whole bunch of cards. Some had wings, some had no wings. We sorted our cards, we counted them up, and then we drew the tally marks for each one. All right, my first grade mathematicians, you are going to have a seesaw activity where you are going to create a tally chart. You're going to have to count the objects and then draw the tally marks in the right spot to represent how many there are. All right, we'll see everybody real soon. Have a great day, and I can't wait to see how smart you are.